and welcome back to Kryptic Reviews, the home of the 2-minute review. So, today we are looking at a USB microscope camera. It has regular USB, micro USB, and a USB-C adapter all in one connection. You have the light dimming volume knob here, and it comes with a nice little articulating stand along with a dial that changes your zoom range and a lens cover that is plastic. I just launched it across the mat. Anyways, here's footage. That was some pretty simple footage of me zooming into my mouse pad. Again, this has been Kryptic Reviews, the home of the 2-minute review. Please hit the like, subscribe, and bye-bye.